So we're going to make it a little bit lower. So there's the arch. So I'm changing it slightly because I need to take into account what he's got already. And that is the line of that. There's that. So I'm not going to worry now about the condola and all of that stuff. It's unimportant. This is very dark here, so I want my darks. The most important thing you can do is your darks and your lights, just like I told you guys just now. If you've got your darks and your lights in, your A4 away. So now that's already looking better. So now I want to add the light. So I'm going to use the blue, and I'm going to just pick up a dash of, I shouldn't have used the blue first. Let me just clean this again. So the dippers here, this is mostly an oil painting thing. You guys don't need it for acrylic. But